This is Immerse Estate Phase 3 as at July 2024. Of course, you will agree with me that several building is right here in Immerse Estate Phase 3. This is the development of the bungalow that was once sold, right? And several other investors who bought in Immerse Estate Phase 3 got their allocation, and their building is what you are seeing right behind this bungalow. We are expecting residents to start living in Immerse Estate Phase 3 as soon as possible. But in case you are seeing my video for the very first time in Immerse Estate Phase 3, this is latest development update right here in Immerse Estate Phase 3. Of course, we started selling this estate when it was a mere bush, right? From clearing to beautification of the site frontage, which is the garden, the green area, perimeter fencing. We've done the water fountain, we've done the car park, we've done the admin block, we've done several other infrastructure right here in front of the estate gate. And just immediately, those that bought in Immerse Estate Phase 3 got their allocation, and then they start their building. In case you are not still aware of the title documentation covering this property, it comes to the title documentation C of O, Certificate of Occupancy. Your investment right here is safe from government encumbrances. And this estate you are seeing in Immerse Estate Phase 3 is located adjacent to the proposed Lekki International Airport, surrounded by great landmarks like Dangote Refinery, Lekki Deep Sea Port, Lekki Free Trade Zone, Alaro City, estate like Itunu City, Itunu Residential, Tiwa Garden Phase 1, Tiwa Commercial Hub, Tiwa Garden Phase 2, and several other government and private projects right within this corridor. But trust me, Immerse Estate Phase 3 is only estate within this corridor that is currently doing building project right now. So have it in mind that we are going to have people living in this estate as soon as possible. I personally have received allocation for more than 5 to 6 clients right here in Immerse Estate Phase 3, as well as Naira Estate Ibeju, Lekki. More updates about Immerse Estate Phase 3, how Immerse Estate Phase 3 transformed from being bush down to where we are today, that is almost as good as estate where people are living today. So if you are new to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel for an update video coming from Immerse Estate Phase 3 and other real estate related content right here in Lagos, Nigeria. Immerse Estate Phase 3 offering you 500 square meter and 300 square meter, but as I speak to you right now, 300 square meter is sold out. We are left with just 500 square meter, currently selling at 33 million naira. Imagine, some of my clients bought Immerse Estate at the rate of 12 million naira. So imagine the return on investment. So you are not too late. You can still act now, because in the nearest future, this same estate is going to be selling for as high as 100 million naira, or as high as what you are seeing Banana Island, Ikoyi, Lekki Phase 1 and the rest selling right now. So buy now and you will thank me later. Give me a call on +234 81 077 386 81. My name is Abraham Ichaba from Ichaba TV. I look forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.